Hello, my loves. Gabrielle Reyes here. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan. And check it out, my loves. Just in time for Valentine's Day, I am cooking up something that everybody will love. Crispy mushroom steak, fully plant-based, nothing fake. We are making a fully vegan and gluten-free steak dinner, my loves. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some steak. Crispy mushroom steak, fully plant-based, nothing fake. Crispy mushroom steak, garlic and pressed down piece of cake. Crispy mushroom steak, add in seasoning, make no mistake. Gather up your oyster mushrooms. I like to keep mine in big clumps, as you can see, just like that. Boom, vegan butter. I'm gonna start off the recipe with about 2 tablespoons of vegan butter into your nice hot pan. And then we're gonna saute up some freshly minced garlic, y'all. Here is my freshly chopped up minced garlic. And I'm gonna be adding in about 1 to 2 tablespoons into your pan. And you're gonna saute this up until it's nice and golden brown. And then we're gonna add in our mushrooms. I have some mashed potatoes. All you gotta have is some peeled up potatoes. And then I added in some vegan butter, about like 1/2 of a cup. And then I added in some garlic, salt, onion powder, as well as some fresh parsley and a splash of some coconut milk, and then salt and pepper to taste if you need some. But yeah, y'all, very simple, decadent, creamy, delicious, buttery. Y'all know I'm obsessed with vegan butter, so yo, we're gonna be adding this to our vegan steak dinner we got going on. She is good. Ooh, veggies. Y'all, all I did was just roast up some broccoli and some carrots with a little bit of some barbecue seasoning. Y'all, she is delicious. She is just, she's gonna be the nice balance alongside of our meaty steak and our nice carb-loaded, buttery goodness of mashed potatoes. Check it out. Our garlic is golden brown, so that means it's time to smash our mushrooms in our pan. So I have my oyster mushroom right here, and I'm just gonna lay these down in my pan, just like that. Let's see how many I can fit. So I've laid out my oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna season them up with a little bit of some salt, just a little sprinkle, no more than 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're gonna smash them. Smash your mushroom, smash your mushroom, smash your mushroom, smash it into a steak. We are smashing our mushrooms up, give it a nice good weight. And as you can see, y'all, today to smash my mushrooms, I am using a big pot full of apples. This is just a nice good weight to add onto those mushrooms. And what you can do is you can actually just let this sit here for a little bit, get some squats in, you know what I'm saying? Get your workout going. I'm gonna check in on my steak, see how she's doing for goodness sake. Ooh, she's crisping up. Ooh, she's crisping up. Ooh, crispy mush. Oh, she looks so good. Why is she already looking so cute? Oh, and she just splashed all over me. That was the best part. Crisp it up. Yes. If you want to, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt on there too. We good, because I know my steak seasoning has some salt in there too, so I don't need to go crazy with the salt. Okay. I see. Oh, she getting nice and crispy, y'all. She is cute on both sides now. So what I'm gonna do is add in all of our seasonings and spices. So I have some steak seasoning. So I'm adding in, I would say about 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on however big your mushrooms are. My mushrooms are like medium size. I typically like working with bigger mushrooms, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of my seasoning right here. And then, I also have some fun other things too, my loves. I have some maple syrup. Add that into your pan. My favorite sauces of all time to make anything meaty as all get out. Worcestershire sauce. Don't know how to pronounce it. I have no idea how to pronounce Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Don't know how to pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. And you best believe this version is vegan. And everybody always asks me, where do you get vegan Worcestershire sauce? And I'm like, number one, good job at trying to pronounce it. Number two, I got this at Whole Foods. We're gonna be adding in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of our W sauce. Ooh, look at that thickness. To make this nice and smoky, meaty, just decadent like you like your steak, child. We are gonna be adding in about 1 teaspoon of some liquid smoke into your pan. Okay, so now we got all of our seasonings and our spices in here. So let's make sure everything is mixed together. Oh, I can smell that barbecue goodness. Make sure all of our mushrooms are coated and covered in that seasoning, the liquid as well as the steak seasoning. And get those pieces of garlic in there too, my loves. Get a nice flip. Get it coated and covered. And now we're gonna get it nice and crispy by pressing it down again. There she goes. Crispy mushroom steak, fully plant-based, nothing fake. There are other vegan steaks that are made out of seitan or soy or tempeh or whatever. For me, I don't like the texture of anything that's gluten or soy-based meat products. It just doesn't sit right with me and my spirit, my soul, or my stomach, or my skin. All the S's. It don't sit right with. So I love to use mushrooms as my main meat replacement. In fact, I'm gonna throw in, because I got some other liquids in here, I want that to soak on up into my other mushrooms. And we got some hungry people here today. Ooh, let's see how our steak is doing. Oh, she getting crispy. Oh, yes. So I'm just looking at this steak getting all crispy, y'all. Check out that crispy steak. All right, she needs a little bit longer. She needs... I know, and it smells good. And he's smelling it, so he's giving y'all smell-o-vision. Oh, snap! Tell me that isn't just some beautiful, crispy mushroom steak right there. Y'all, look at this. Oh, look at that crispiness. My good golly gumdrops. This is just crispy, mushroomy. Oh, like meaty. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Crispy mushroom steak, fully plant-based, nothing fake. Y'all, we made this so simple. All you need is just a few ingredients and mushrooms. Y'all, mushrooms are magical. And so we're gonna add in our mashed potatoes and also our vegetables to create the final dinner, y'all. The steak dinner. Yes. Oh, veggies. Vegan steak dinner, cooking in the kitchen. Vegan steak dinner, just in time for Valentine's Day. Some fresh parsley right on top. Y'all know I love a little bit of freshness. Yes, y'all, check it out. Look at this incredible vegan steak dinner decadent that we made here today, my loves. I'm pumped to dig on in. Let me get myself a fork, get myself a bite, and get going in this steak dinner. All right, let's get myself a bite of everything that is right, okay? I got myself everything, y'all. Got the steak, got the veggie, got my mashed potatoes. Y'all, I'm gonna have to dig in. I'm gonna have to get on out of here so I can dig on in. It is meaty, it is hearty, it is just something to bite on into. I love how that's crispiness on top of it. Y'all, ooh, that crispiness on top of there gives it that nice extra skin that you want on the outsides, my loves. Y'all saw how simple and easy this was to make a vegan steak dinner. So why don't you get yourself in the kitchen, get yourself going, get yourself glowing, and also throwing too. and make yourself some vegan steak dinner. I will see you all next Saturday here live in my kitchen, doing what you do, singing your song, doing your dance, and speaking your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye.